I'm excited about Columbia and its ecosystem because there's a great set of assets, there's a great set of people all trying to come together. This Growth Summit is one example of how people come together to build a better community.
I've really been excited for this summit in particular because so much groundbreaking work has been done in this community. A lot of amazing things are happening, and this summit really marks the culmination of our efforts over the past year. This is not just a labor of love, but it's a labor of entrepreneurship, professionalism, and connections.
What gets me so excited to be here is all of the entrepreneurs who are here in the room and all the stakeholders and all the organizations who have really come together in Columbia to make this an amazing event for the entire state to benefit from.
I'm here to learn from all of these wonderful speakers that they have. I'm so happy to see all of these people here that are just so pumped up about business. I can't wait to collaborate with everybody here. Let's take some risk and get connected.